Number 1.
1995 Toyota pickup, price $7,900. It has 217,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a classic white exterior complemented by a clean blue interior, giving it a timeless appearance. The truck remains all original, highlighting how well it has been preserved over the years. According to the seller, it runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues and has always been consistently maintained and well cared for. Unlike many pickups of its age, this one was never used as a work truck, which has helped keep it in remarkably clean condition both inside and out. Its overall appearance and condition stand out for a vehicle of this vintage, reflecting years of responsible ownership. The truck comes with a clean title and hand and current registration, making the ownership transfer straightforward.
Number 2.
1987 GMC S15, price $8,000, with 117,000 miles and a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a striking purple exterior paired with a black interior, making it stand out wherever it goes. Powered by a reliable 2.5L engine, the truck runs well and delivers a solid driving experience. The truck has been professionally customized with fresh paint, chrome upper and lower components, 3 hydraulic hoppers, pumps, 6 batteries, and a chain bridge setup. The audio system includes 2 12-inch SCAR subwoofers with an amplifier, along with upgraded high and low speakers, plus an all-star Alpine CD player for excellent sound quality.
Overall, this GMC S15 is a well-maintained custom lowrider that combines dependable performance with unique styling and extensive upgrades. Number 3.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $5,950. This truck has 185,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a black interior and has been well maintained throughout its life. Originally from Tennessee, this truck is clean, rust-free, and has recently received a tune-up, making it ready for its next owner. The truck is equipped with a spacious club cab and a 6.5-foot bed, offering both practicality and classic styling. It stands out as a true throwback pickup with its manual windows, manual door locks, manual mirrors, cassette player, and factory cigarette lighter, capturing the simplicity and charm of late 1990s trucks. It also comes with 2 original keys, the original window sticker, and the owner's books, adding to its collector appeal. Both the exterior and interior remain in excellent condition, and the truck comes with a clean title and is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet S10, price $9,000, powered by a dependable 2.5L inline-4 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. It features a gray exterior complemented by a clean black vinyl interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless appearance. This S10 is a very clean survivor that has spent most of its life in the Pacific Northwest, allowing the chassis to remain in excellent condition with virtually no rust. It is a true base-spec truck, featuring manual windows and a manual transmission, making it simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. The truck has retained much of its original character while continuing to provide a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. With its solid mechanical setup, clean body, and well-preserved condition, this classic Chevrolet S10 is an excellent choice for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for an honest, dependable vintage compact pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 91,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a red interior, and is powered by a gasoline-powered 350 V8 engine. It is a one-owner, rust-free, 2-wheel drive truck that features the desirable third passenger side access door, making it both practical and easy to use. The truck comes well equipped with air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, power windows, and power brakes, providing a comfortable driving experience. Its solid, rust-free body has been exceptionally well cared for, and the truck presents itself in very nice condition inside and out. With its strong-running V8 engine, smooth automatic transmission, and low original mileage, this Chevrolet 1500 is a clean, dependable classic pickup that is ready to be driven, enjoyed, or added to any truck collection.
Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500. The truck is a well-maintained heavy-duty pickup powered by a strong 454 cu and V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With only 117,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered dually continues to start easily and run like new. It features a classic brown exterior complemented by a matching brown interior, giving the truck a clean and timeless appearance. Having been stored indoors during the winter months, it remains exceptionally clean and is approximately 99.9% rust-free, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The truck is also equipped with an aftermarket brake controller, making it well-suited for towing trailers or hauling heavy loads with confidence.
Number 7. 2003 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900. It has 168,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray leather interior, this four-wheel drive pickup is well equipped for both everyday driving and off-road use while offering a comfortable and capable ride. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives well and has recently received a fresh oil change and passed a smog inspection, making it ready for its next owner. It comes loaded with desirable features, including power windows, power door locks, an alarm system, premium leather seats, heated front seats, and the factory 4x4 off-road package. With its strong V8 performance, practical utility, and well-appointed interior, the Sierra 1500 Limited Edition is a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable full-size pickup that is ready for work, recreation, or daily driving. Number 8.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $6,750. This truck has 146,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior and is powered by a gasoline-fueled 4.0L V6 engine. The truck runs and drives very well, especially considering its lowered stance, while still delivering respectable fuel economy. It comes with functioning heat and air conditioning, working cruise control, and has only minimal rust, consisting mostly of light surface rust on a few areas.
The suspension has been professionally lowered May 8 using Rix Rangers and DJM components, giving the truck a distinctive appearance. Although it is over 3 decades old and not without minor imperfections, it remains a reliable, well-maintained pickup that consistently attracts attention wherever it goes. Number 9.
1996 Ford F-150, price $3,500. This truck has 192,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a beige interior and is powered by a dependable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives well, although the rear fuel pump is currently not working. It has received several upgrades and maintenance items, including a new front and rear speaker system valued at over $100, an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo, a new serpentine belt, and a fresh oil change. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, the engine has no blown head gaskets, and the truck has no oil leaks or oil burning issues. It also features ice-cold air conditioning, a durable bed liner, approximately 40% tread remaining on the tires, and only minimal rust.
Number 10.
2003 Ford Ranger, price $7,300. It has 158,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior and is powered by a dependable gasoline engine, making it a practical choice for everyday driving or weekend trips. The truck has been well maintained and remains in solid mechanical condition. It does have a few minor scratches that are consistent with its age, but they do not affect its overall appearance or performance. The air conditioning works perfectly, providing a comfortable driving experience in all seasons. It has successfully passed its smog inspection, comes with a clean title, and all documentation is complete and in order.